All right, hi grade 7. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about what you need to do to complete day 1, which is Tuesday. So we are continuing with the research cycle, and today you're doing the first 2 steps: tune in and get organized. So we're moving on from agricultural civilizations to modern civilizations or industrial civilizations. All right, so the first thing we need to do is to do a little bit of broad research and to help us understand what was the Industrial Revolution and what is an industrial civilization. So if you click here, this will take you to a brief article about the Industrial Revolution. All right, it's only about 2 pages, so please read the article and answer these 5 questions. Remember to make sure to answer them in your own words and in complete sentences. So after you've completed that, you need to move on to this section about what is average today. Throughout this unit, we've been talking about what does it mean to be an average teenager. So we want to ask the question, what is it like to be an average teenager today? So the first thing I want you to think about is, are you actually average? So you can think about, are you in maybe the top 50% of the world, top 25%, maybe you're even in the top 1%. So I want you to write down your guess here and also explain why or why not you think you're an average teenager. After that, you can come down to this section here, and it explains to you how much money the top 1% of the world makes. So this is whited out right now. If you select it, you can see how much money you would have to make every year to be in the top 1%. So you could ask your parents if they're willing to tell you how much income approximately they make, and then you can see for yourself. All right, so for our research for this, we're going to be looking at hopefully what are some average teenagers in the world. So the median household income in the world is about $10,000. So for your research this week, I want you to go to this website, all right, which will take you here, and you can come and look at what the median household income is all over the world, all right? So what I want you to do is scroll down to $10,000 though, all right? So that'd be countries in this range, all right? So Ukraine, Latvia, Tunisia, Turkey. And what you need to do is choose any one country that you want to research, all right? They should have a median household income around $10,000, so plus or minus about $2,000. So let's see. Once you have selected which country you would like to do, you can come down to the research question section and you need to put the country in here, and then you need to explain how the research question is connected to our statement of inquiry. All right. Also, please let me know what country you've chosen. That way I can send you some resources to let you know. All right. After that, continue on with our action plan. So you've got sub-research questions, which you can identify. You guys are becoming experts at doing this. Keywords, research methods, and then finally, correct the main stages of the investigation. So this is already on here of reading the article, completing this section about what it is average, and then writing questions about your chosen country. All right. So make sure you update your action plan at the end of the day. And then that's about it. So on Thursday, you will be doing some research. I'll try to send you some resources for your country, but you'll also have to do some outside research on your own. All right. Hope this goes well. Remember, if you ever have questions, you can send me an email or an invite to have a call on Zoom. All right. Good luck.